Hi everyone, it's Annette and welcome back to Cotto Verde. I've been absolutely desperate to show you how fantastic my tulip pots look. Now, I know that I am glowing about my own tulips, but I mean, what a display. I'm absolutely thrilled with the vibrancy. I mean, we do have some muted tones here with the Belle Epoque, but it has brought me so much joy seeing this splash of colour from my kitchen as we burst into spring, and I just wanted to show you today and to talk you through the varieties that I planted in case any of them take your fancy and you want to put your order in for next year. I have some particular favourites that I'll definitely be repeating next year. So let me talk you through the tulips that I've chosen and planted up in these pots, and I'll show you some close-ups so you get a really good idea of what they look like. that's the end of the tour for today. I hope you've really enjoyed looking at my tulips as much as I enjoy looking at them, and they bring me so much pleasure. So, you know, if this has inspired you, then do plant up some pots of tulips yourself next year. Plant them up in the autumn so that they're ready for you in the spring, and you'll have this massive splash of vibrancy and colour that will bring joy to your life, I promise. If you're interested in how I age the terracotta pots, then do have a look at my other videos. I made one showing you how I aged them, or how we aged them, because Richard helped, and I made a second one talking you through the mistakes that we made, so that you don't have to make the same mistakes. So take a look at those videos if you're interested in how we did it. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, then do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.